continuation of the third chapter, and the topic that we will deal with is plant fibers. The fibers which we obtain from plants are known as plant fibers. For example, cotton, jute and flax. Now, let's discuss about them in detail one by one. The first one is cotton. Cotton is also known as cotton wool. It is one of the most widely used natural fiber. Cotton fiber comes from the cotton plants which are grown in the fields by the farmers. It is usually grown at places having black soil and the warm climate. In India, it is grown in Maharashtra and the parts of Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. The cotton balls, which are the fruits of cotton plants, are the size of lemon. After maturing, the cotton balls burst open to produce cotton seeds, which are covered with white, soft cotton fibers. When the field is ready for picking cotton, it looks like the field covered with snow because all the cotton plants have got cotton fibers at their top. It is picked by the hand from the plants in the field. These fibers contain cotton seeds, so it is needed to be separated. Thus, the process of separating cotton fibers from the seed is known as ginning. It is done by the comb-like device. Nowadays, ginning is also done by the ginning machines. Cotton is mainly used for making fabrics from which different types of clothes are made. Second one is flax. Flax fibers are obtained from the stem of the flax plant. These fibers are mainly used for making fabrics. The cloth made of stem fibers of flax plant is known as linen. Linen is mainly used for making bed sheets. Third one is jute. Jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. In Hindi, it is known as patsan. Jute is mainly grown in India, in the states like West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. It is cultivated during rainy season and harvested when these plants are at their flowering stage. After harvesting, the stem of jute plants are drowned or immersed in the water for few days. During these days, stem of jute plant get rotten and the fiber is left behind in the water. These fibers are separated or removed from water by the hand. Jute fibers become rough in structure. Therefore, no fabrics are made from jute. The jute fibers are used for making rope, jute gunny bags, shopping bags, and for storing food grains. So these were the examples of plant fibers. Now let's see the picture of the fibers and the plants that we studied just now. This is the cotton plant. Just now we discussed when they are in the field, they look like the field covered with snow because all the plants have got white cotton fibers on their top. cotton fibers are separated from their seed, and that is known as ginning. We said ginning is a comb-like structure. So here you see one lady is doing the process of ginning with the comb-like structure. Second that we discussed about is flax plants, from which we get flax fibers. So this is the plant. Third we discussed about jute. So this is the jute plant. Thank you.